Hi there guys, in this video we're going to talk about Instagram error Facebook login failed. Now as you can see right now I'm on that sign up section on Instagram, and as you can see down I have a chance to log in into my Instagram with Facebook site. If I go on it and if it says that it has problem or the login session has been failed, what I need to do simply, you don't need to log in from your Facebook, just get up and log in from your Instagram site. You can add here your phone number, you can also add your email address, I don't know, for example this, and if you know your username on that site on Instagram, you can just put here your Instagram username, for example this site, and then you'll need to take here your password and then go and log in. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.